So today's video is going to be on Shenseea and how she is the feature queen. She's definitely the feature queen. She's one of the first dancehall artists that I've known to do so many features in the short amount of time that she has been out there, as she busts basically. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about some of her latest hits and some of her features. I'm going to tell you guys my thoughts and opinion on those. So if you want to hear my thoughts, please keep on watching your girl. As Shenseea being the feature queen, I feel like she's definitely the feature queen. I feel like her tactics and the way that she's attacking dancehall music is a good way and a good plan. People like Nicki Minaj did the same thing, and you can see how big Nicki Minaj is right now. Nicki Minaj was on everybody's feature when she just came out, and I feel like that's the same way Shenseea is going about the dancehall industry. I feel like when you do features with other artists that's not in your genre, or even in your genre, it exposes you to their fan base and also to different cultures if they're from a different genre, like soca music. So she's done a lot of collab. Her hit single, which plummeted her or skyrocketed her career, was a feature. And her first hit song was Lodi featuring Vybz Kartel, and we all know how that went down. Kartel later on went to say that she didn't give authority for her to even be on the song, blah 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 blah. That's neither here nor there. It's over and done with. But we're going to talk about her new and current movement, her new and current songs, and what she has been doing. She was touring with Sean Paul and Charlie Blacks. She also done a collab with Sean Paul also, and it was good to see dancehall music artists combining and coming together as one, and seeing them in the international space and on the international forefront. She's done collaborations with Ding Dong, Jamil, Christopher Martin, Sean Paul, Stoney, Nalia Beckman, and Tommy.
Look good anytime you step out of your body well nice and clean. Walk out from your nose so your hot and you tight up in your jeans. Thick, brown, black, brown, baby, show it out. That's with me, mommy, give me all I need.
Lee. And my personal favorite collab that she has done has to be Vybz Kartel Lodi and Nalia Blackman's collab that is called Badish. I think that's a soca song, and I love those two songs. And she dropped a feature with TommyLee, and it's called Bridgets and Deserts. And at first, when she first uploaded it, I was actually on her Vivo channel looking for information to do my video, and then I saw that song dropped and I commented on there, but they had the audio messed up. But so now they re-released it and the audio is good, and I see on her Instagram page that she's actually doing, and the song I feel like this song is going to be an anthem song for all the ladies, them and all the men, because TommyLee talk up for the men and Shenseea talk up for the woman them, and I love the song, I love the lyrics, I love the sound. Now that the sound has been fixed, it wasn't mixed and mastered properly at first, but now the real original one that they put up sounds good. It sounds really good. I'm waiting to see the video with her and TommyLee, if she market it and sell it to the people like how she did Ludi. I think it has a great possibility of being a hit song for her this year and for her to close out the year with. Shenseea is doing her thing, and I know a lot of people are not going to like her because of the whole thing with Vybz Kartel, and Vybz Kartel has a lot of influence over Jamaican people and dancehall music, but she's a young artist. She's still learning the ropes. She's still doing her thing. She's trying to hit the dancehall market as being a more sponsor, like she can get more sponsorship because her music is clean. She's not very raunchy to me, and a lot of people have a lot to say about that also, if she wants sponsorships and stuff. But dancehall is a very raunchy music and all that, but it is what it is. Everybody have their way of attacking the business. So in Shenseea's case, she likes to do a lot of features, and I can't blame her. That's her way of flooding the market with her name, her image, and her song, and sooner or later it's going to pay off. She's a young artist. She's still growing. Can't wait to see more from her as far as her being an artist and actually growing in her music. And the only critique I have for her is she needs to, if she's going to do so many features, I need her to start putting out bangers that doesn't, like, for herself, that doesn't contain any features. And I also need for her to stop with the whole wind up thing, and they talk about how she can do this and do this with man and like it get old. Like all the pum pum song, girl a hot girl and nobody don't have nothing over me and me a hot girl and me rich, and like all those songs are getting outdated. All of them, they get boring now. I need a dancehall female artist to come up with some new and innovative topic to talk about, and that's my only critique for her. She's one of them that always winding up or singing about some wind up or talk about what she can do on the key and how she this and how she that. Like, I need them to come up with more innovative topics to talk about in dancehall, and that goes for all the female and the males in dancehall, because the men have a tendency to talk about them going out with them having all that and how much girl them have sex with. So that's my only critique for her. Yes, she's the feature queen, and yes, she's doing the damn thing. Some of my favorite features from her is very much Desert and Bridgets that just dropped with TommyLee. Big up to TommyLee's Prata. And then Nalia Beckford, Badish. Those are my, and actually Ludi from Vybz Kartel. Those are my 3 features from Shenseea. None of her songs that she's dropped so far by herself I really paid attention to, or really, but she's doing her thing. You gotta give her props where props is due. Big up yourself, Shenseea. Big up yourself, Ramesh Entertainment. That's my thoughts and opinions. Give your opinions in the description below. Tell me what you guys think about her always doing features. Tell me what you think about her music and her image. And tell me what you think about Ramesh Entertainment. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces.